Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the crown button, like this, then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, scroll through the list, and at the top we have a airplane mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, like this. You can tell that the airplane mode is enabled by this icon right here at the top. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the airplane mode icon again, like this. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.